Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Samsung Galaxy A14 4G hard reset or pattern unlock. Insert a USB cable into your Samsung Galaxy A14 4G and connect it to a computer or laptop. Alternatively, you can use a charger if a computer or laptop is not available. Press and hold the volume down plus power buttons simultaneously until the device powers off. If connected to a computer or laptop, you may hear a sound indicating the shutdown. If not, wait until the phone turns off. Release the volume down button while continuing to hold the power button. Then press and hold the volume up plus power buttons until the device enters recovery mode. In recovery mode, navigate using the volume buttons to select wipe data or factory reset and confirm your selection by pressing the power button. Next, select factory data reset and confirm. Wait for the formatting process to complete. This may take some time. After formatting is complete, select reboot system now to restart your device. Your Samsung Galaxy A14 4G may take some time to reboot and optimize its settings. Be patient during this process, which typically takes a couple of minutes. The hard reset operation will be finished in a couple of seconds. After the reset is complete, your phone will be completely reset to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.